We had rain in the forecast for a night rain, and we went ahead and put the best underlayment on the roof to ensure that when it did rain, no water came inside the home. Hey guys, Alex here with Alex Perez Roofing. Today we're in Citrus Heights doing a full re-roof replacement. The overview here of the project was the roof was 28 years old, had a bunch of soft spots throughout the entire roof, had 3/8 plywood, very spongy, plywood was cracking. Homeowner Bob had called us for a free estimate. We came out, inspected the roof. One of his concerns was that the roof had a bunch of soft spots throughout the entire roof. We were able to confirm it. What we did was we went to a better substrate, a 7/16, so that all the shingles can be installed properly. He doesn't have to worry about any cracking underneath the shingles, causing future leaks. So the best way was installing that roof system. We're going with the cool Owens Corning Plus shingle. It's a reflective, Title 24 compliant, all new flashings, all new underlayment, the best underlayment he can have to ensure it's a watertight system. This roof here also had a low slope TPO system. Back then he had what's called the asphalt system that only lasted about 15 years. We went ahead and did a 20-year system with the substrate underneath, which is an insulator on the patio, and on top of it we went ahead and did the single ply system. This roof here is expected to last 3 days. We're on schedule to complete it. Last concern was we had rain in the forecast. We told Bob, hey, don't worry, we have the better underlayment in case it does rain, which we got a couple of sprinkles of water. That underlayment is going to protect your home to ensure that you don't have any leaks inside the house. And now we're on time to complete this roof. Did a walkthrough with him. He's very happy so far, and we're going to do one last walkthrough at the completion of the roof to make sure he feels good going into this winter. The scope of work for this job is full entire roof removal, installation of OSB 4x8 sheeting, all new underlayment, all new flashings, and an Owens Corning Cool Plus shingle. Now the homeowner can expect for this roof to last 30+ years because we put in the proper ventilation, better underlayment, a better shingle with a backed up warranty from us, Alex Perez Roofing, and the manufacturer.